distinguished chairman, tutuɖozã of Avenor, Doglo Anuma the Sixth, Honorable Kofi Jamesi, all political parties representative present, Doglo Mamao, ladies and gentlemen, I stand on the existing protocols of this August occasion, and I respect all other ranks, and I bring a warm greeting from the people of Agotime Traditional Council to the people of Avenor Traditional Council as you celebrate your developmental, cultural, trade and tourism festival under the theme Fostering Peace and Unity for Sustainable Development. During this special occasion of joys and reflection, Agotime stand with you in spirit, sharing in your celebration and honoring the rich traditions that make Avenor a beacon of progress and unity. This festival is not only a celebration of your cultural heritage, but a powerful reminder of the importance of peace and unity in building a sustainable future. The theme of this year's festival resonates deeply with us, as we, the people of Agotime, believe that it is through cooperation, mutual respect, and shared goals that we can achieve a lasting development. We recognize that achievement in fostering peace, enhancing trade, and promoting tourism are milestones not only for the people of Avenor, but for the entire Volta region in Ghana. As friends, brothers and sisters, we stand united with you in your journey towards sustainable development. Your successes in promoting cultural exchange, economic growth, and community unity inspires us all. We are committed to strengthening the bond of peace and cooperation between you and the people of Agotime. Together we work to build a future that is prosperous, inclusive and harmonious. May this festival brings a renewed hope, unity and prosperity to the people of Avenor. As we celebrate our individual traditions and heritage, let us remember that it is our collective strength and shared vision that will ensure the sustainable development of both Agotime and Avenor. Together we rise in the spirit of unity and mutual progress. Congratulations on the success of your festival. And as we usher in another year of peace, growth, and sustainable development for the Avenor Traditional Council. As I know, thank you very much.